The brightness of this day has given me the opportunity to bring you this video. Welcome back to my channel, Winging It with AC. My name is AC. Yes, you are in my fridge with me today. You are chilling. Ghana is hot, so chill in the fridge for me. So why are you in the fridge today? As you can see by the title of this video, we are cleaning out this fridge. So it's been a while since this fridge was cleaned. It's been a very long while, and I was just about to clean it and I decided, why not film it? Yeah, the life of a content creator. So come along with me and let's clean up this fridge. So this is how the fridge is looking like now. I have a lot of kukunsaka in the fridge. So, and I've already actually gone ahead to remove some. So we're going to clean out the fridge. And yes, we eat a lot of papaya. So there you go. And this is the messiest part of it all. So let's get started with our cleaning. So we're going to start by putting off the main switch, and then we'll take everything out and then start cleaning. Oh, and by the way, this is an egg container that our honorable bought. So when you buy your crate of egg poetry, when you buy a crate of eggs, you just put everything in here and then keep it in the fridge. It's so convenient. This is Hausa cocoa. I usually buy this from Impampa cereals. So I have a smaller container of it. So I scoop some of this into the smaller container, and then this one goes into the freezer. So you see how this is so dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned. I'm going to use warm water. I'm going to be using warm water and soap. Warm water and soap. And then I'll come back with a bowl of warm water and soap. And then clean out the fridge. And then, yeah, so let's do that. So I'm now going to wash the, see how dirty it is. Anyway, so I'm now going to wash the three of them, and then I'll fix them in there. And then I'm actually going to move the things back into the fridge, and then clean the door of the fridge as well. So our shelving units are all clean and dry now. But before I put them in, I'm going to get some water. This is lemon. Whenever I don't have fresh lemons, I use this. I'm going to pour a few tablespoons of this into the warm water, and then just use it to wipe the main part of the fridge where I've already cleaned, just so that it gives it a nice lemon citrusy scent. So apparently I've been talking to myself. I paused this thing to wash the shelving units, and when I came back I thought, anyway, I have to go back and check. But point is, there's a portion where I have been talking and apparently I hadn't hit the resume button. So I washed the shelving units, I wiped them, I put them back in here, and then I took a bowl of water with warm water, and then I poured in some of this lemon juice here into it. And then I use it to wipe inside the fridge just to give it a nice fresh citrus smell. And then I arranged the shelving units back inside, and then now I'm putting everything back into the fridge. The things that we are discarding, I'm discarding them. And then I talked about this container here. We used to keep Milo in it, but for some months now we haven't bought Milo, and nobody has really been bothered about Milo, so it's just been sitting in the fridge. However, I have a very tiny kitchen. I barely have storage space. I actually store some things in my oven when I'm not using the oven. So I'm actually just going to wash this, and I'll come and put it right back in the fridge. Yes, it's taking up space in the fridge, but I don't have anywhere else to keep it, so it's just going to sit in the fridge till I figure out what else I can put inside it in the time being. So now I'm going to transfer some of the Hausa cocoa into the smaller jar, and then put this in the freezer and put this one in the fridge. The Hausa cocoa is mainly serum. We make it for once in a while. I make some for myself, but it's mainly for serum. I just found this half lemon in here. So this is warm water. I'm just going to squeeze it in, and I'm still going to add a little bit of the one from the bottom.
Fridge cleaner. Fridge cleaner.
Oh my god.
Fridge cleanser. Fridge sanitizer. Fridge YouTuber. Fridging it with AC.
Please, I'm selling papaya shito. Those of you who want to buy it, once you want it. Come and buy your papaya shito from me, oh. Come and buy your papaya shito. So we're all done with cleaning our fridge. I have these disinfectant wipes, so once in a while I just take the wipes and clean the fridge handles and door handles and taps. So I'm just going to quickly go over here and finish. So let's see how our fridge looks now. Ta-da! Our fridge looks cleaner and smells better now. So, don't you feel cleaner? Like now you are in the fridge. It's not as cool as it was when we began, but you're in a much cleaner environment. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any fridge cleaning tips for me, please leave them down in the description. I'm tired. Leave them in the comment section for me, and rate me. Let me know how I did with cleaning my fridge. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.